Hello, what is actually the best way to upload a video on YouTube? Don't worry, that's what I'm going to be showing you in this video. I'm going to be showing you from the starting process to the finish. That is from the uploading to the optimization of the video so that it can start getting views and start getting watched by people on YouTube. So there's quite a perfect way to do this, but for me, this is what I'm going to do if I were you. First of all, you open your YouTube app. So right here, we're making sure that you're doing everything right, that you're taking the best steps to this, and you must have a YouTube channel for this. So let me click on my own channel so I show you what I mean. So if you tap at this corner here, this top corner here, so you're going to see your channel. So if I tap on my channel, I'm going to see my channel. So guys, if you're watching this video and you've not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to the channel. It'll help me go faster on YouTube and keep me making videos for you on this platform. So let's go back. Then what you have to do is to tap this plus icon down here. So once I tap this plus icon down here, you're going to see create a short, upload a video, go live, create a post. So we are going to be uploading a video. So we are going to click on upload a video, and once you see this, it's going to say view and share your videos here, because this is my first time on this device. So I'm going to click on allow access, then grant the permissions. Okay, then let's say that we want to take one of these videos. Let's say for this one, this screen recording video. Then once we click here, we click on the video.
Argentina.
So it takes us to this TikTok kind of
USA.
video, but I won't be playing the video. But let's say we want to upload this video right here to YouTube. So if we click on next, so it's actually going to take us to this next page that says add details. So in this page, actually, we're going to be adding details of the title. Okay, YouTube just turned this into a short because this is actually a short video, I guess. So let's kind of go back. Let's say discard. Let's go back a bit. Let's choose a video that's more than 2 minutes, I would say. Okay, let's go for this one. Right.
His imitations of world famous paintings are more.
Let's say next. It's going to bring us to this page that says add details. Okay, but just know that if the video is less than 60 seconds, it will be seen as a short. So YouTube will bring up this details page on your smartphone for you to put your title and your description as a short. But if it is longer than 1 minute, you're going to see it to be uploaded as a normal video. So let's create the title. So you just come here and put your title. Let's say man makes the world's first fake money. So we can like kind of put on a sticker there if you want to, the money first, then kind of put a sticker if you want to. Then right here we are done with the title. So another thing we can do is to put the description of the video. So you can actually put anything you want here, and you can actually tag a channel here. So for this description, I don't actually have a nice description for this video because this is kind of impromptu. I'm not supposed to upload this video, so I'm just showing you how to do this. So for the description, you can actually describe what your video is all about. That's the first step. Describe what your video is all about. Then the second step is that if you have a timestamps, you can add your timestamps in your description. Then 3, if you have any affiliate links or any kind of links about anything you talked about in the video, you can actually put that here. Then number 4 is that you can put some hashtags here, 3 hashtags that can actually make your video to be found on search, but it's not that necessary if you don't want to put it. So let's go back. Then here you can set the visibility. For me, let's set this visibility to unlisted for now. Then let's go back. Now we're going to be coming back to this visibility after the video has been published to change this to public so that people can watch the video and benefit from it. Then for this audience, for now it is set to no, it's not made for kids. So if the content is made for kids, you select yes, it's made for kids. But if it is not made for kids, you select no, it's not made for kids. So let's go back here. Then for the location, if you want to add your location, you can simply input your location here. But we're not going to be doing that because we don't want the video to be given to a specific geographic area, because we want the video to be seen by the world, right? Then if you have a playlist, you can actually add the video to a playlist. But for this channel right here, I don't have any playlist yet because I've not been uploading for quite a long time. But for now, I'm going to start uploading. So consider subscribing to my channel because that will actually help me out a lot. Then let's tap on done here. Then we're going to click on upload. Then once you click on upload, now if you look at this place that says library, you're going to see this arrow that is pointing upwards, indicating that the video has started to upload to the YouTube. So one thing we can do actually is to click on your videos. So once you click on your videos here, it's going to take us to this place. So you're actually going to see a list of videos that we've uploaded to the channel. Like for this video, I uploaded this video 13 days ago, just now actually a great short actually. So as you can see here, it's going to give us the time that is needed for the video to finish uploading. That's about 5 minutes remaining, and the percentage of the portion of the video that has been uploaded. Okay, but for some reasons I'm not going to be uploading this video. This is just a tutorial, so I'm actually going to delete the upload. All right, then, but I'm actually going to go back to my channel to show you what I'm supposed to do. So let's click on delete upload, delete. So it's just canceling the upload right now. Okay, so let's go back and go into our YouTube Studio app. So guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please kindly subscribe and hit that post notification bell icon so you get notified whenever I post a new video right here on my channel. So let's take one of my long form videos actually as an example. Okay, let's take this one that has 12 views. So if we click here, we go to edit video. This is after the video has been uploaded. This is something that you're going to see. All right, so we come to that visibility. We can set it to public. Remember, if you set this to unlisted, no one is going to see the video. As you can see written, anyone with the link can view the video, unless you take the link of the video and send it to someone. That is when that person can actually view the video. Then private, you're making the video private. Only people you choose can view the video. So you can actually schedule and upload actually. So if you don't want to, if you want the video to go live at a particular time, you can premiere the video at that time. So let's go back here. So one thing that you can do is to edit the tag option. So if you go to this, if you hit here that has more options, actually you can input tags. All right, so you can add tags. If you hit here that says add tags, you can put any tags that we want, like I'm doing on chat GPT AI. Then click on this comma, then actually add that as a tag. Then you can actually select the category of the video. So if it is a comedy video, you select comedy, education, entertainment. But I actually advise you to stick to one kind of content, so that this will streamline your opportunity and give you more chance of getting more views on YouTube and being a better creator. So you don't have to like do a comedy video, do an education video, an entertainment video, film and animation, all these categories. So you just have to focus on one category. So let's go back from here. So that's also, you can actually set the comments. You can allow all comments or hold potentially inappropriate comments for review. So you're actually increasing the strictness of your comment section in each video that you post. So you can actually hold all comments for review or disable the comments at all, so you're not going to be getting any comments in the video. So, but for me, I would advise to leave the comment so that you can see the engagement in your videos. So you can actually show how many viewers like this video. So if you uncheck this box, you're not going to be seeing how many viewers like this video. And for the unlike button, it has been removed by YouTube. So you're the only one that can see how many dislikes you have in a video. So for anybody watching, that person cannot see actually. So that's it for this video. If you've gained any value from this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Just hit the red subscribe button, subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. And that will be all for now. Thank you, and I will see you in my next video.